Hi, in this video I am going to show you how to prepare Paal Kozhukattai, which is a very popular Chettinadu delicacy. The main ingredients are raw rice, milk, jaggery, coconut milk, cardamom powder, salt, water and roasted gram, which is optional. Wash the rice thoroughly and soak it for at least 1 hour. Then drain the water and dry the rice on a paper or cotton cloth for about 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, crush the jaggery into small pieces and set it aside. Also, extract the coconut milk. Use fresh coconut for better flavor. Grind the coconut finely with lukewarm water in a mixie jar and filter it to extract the coconut milk. Repeat this one more time to extract more coconut milk from this coconut. Then set aside the coconut milk and start grinding the rice finely in a mixie jar and sieve it. Repeat the process until all of the rice is finely ground and sieved. Add a pinch of salt, warm water and knead it into a smooth dough. Set it aside for a few minutes and then start rolling it into small kozhukattai as shown here. Once all the kozhukattai is rolled, add the water and milk in a thick bottom vessel and bring it to a boil. Put the stove on low, medium or medium and then start adding the kozhukattai into the water. Add them in small portions as you keep stirring continuously. Allow for a minute and add more kozhukattai and repeat this process until all of the kozhukattai is added into the vessel. Allow it to cook for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Once the kozhukattai is completely cooked, add the crushed jaggery and mix thoroughly. Add the roasted gram, which is optional, and mix well. After the jaggery melts completely, add the cardamom powder and mix well. At this point, turn off the stove and then add the coconut milk. Though this is a little time-consuming process to prepare this delicacy, it is worth all the effort. Now you can check the consistency and the smooth texture of Paal Kozhukattai here. Hope you enjoyed the recipe of this yummy Paal Kozhukattai. Thank you for watching this video and see you soon again with another recipe. There are more tips and notes for you to help with the recipe. Thank you.